when we come to know Guru Nanak as an author and as a teacher, we find that he's an incredibly compassionate being in his writing. And this particular line from the 6th Pauri of Japji Sahib, to me, is a great reflection of his compassion. The line is, Mat vich ratan jawahar manik, jai ek gur ki Sikh suni. Mat. Mat is a wonderful word. It means intellect. Okay? So where the mind, the man is like the psyche, the mat is the way that we perceive things. It's the organizing principle of the mind that allows us to see things in a particular system. And our life is based on how our intellect is trained to perceive. So vich means in. So within our intellect, within the organizing intelligence of our perception, Ratan, Jawahar, Manik, these are all words that describe really precious gems, jewels, rubies. So this is almost like a treasury of jewels. Treasury of jewels. All these terms are referring to jewels, preciousness, wealth, richness, matvich. So within the intellect come these amazing jewels and wealth. J, if, ik, one, gur ki Sikh. Gur here is not so much teacher as instruction. You know, Sikh is the seeker, the student. Suni is to listen. So basically, if this student listens Gurki to the instruction, to not just a lot or any, but just one. So what this line is saying is Guru Nanak saying, if you just get one little bit of what I'm sharing with you, if you just take one line and it comes to live within your mutt in the way you see the world, there's going to be such a treasury of jewels, of wealth that come into your life, not necessarily physical wealth, but spiritual, mental, emotional. The wealth of life will come to you just by listening to one line or one instruction that I'm sharing with you.